Let's see what we catch on these apples, guys. Here, look at this shit. I'm out, man. That shit is boring as fuck. So I'm in a SPY call right now as we speak. 15 minutes looks better for this breakout trade, but contracts are currently up at 10% on this trade right here. This market don't look promising, so we probably should just collect. I'm out. Let's just get out of that shit, man. I'm gonna go get a haircut because I look so rugged. So we're back home looking less crazy. As you can see, that barber did a blessing to me. Market was horrible today. It was super choppy, so hopefully tomorrow is not like that whatsoever at all. 4:53 a.m. About to go hit the fucking gym real quick, come back, chart up, see what's going on in pre-market, and then catch some good trades today. What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog trading session, and we got 15 minutes till the market opens. Market looks nice and bullish this pre-market. I'm gonna show you guys a couple plays. I got a couple plays. I got Apple play, AMD play, and SPY play all right here, and SMCI. So I got 4 stocks that I'm watching this morning that look good for a nice pop for some calls. And let me show you guys the setup here.
It looks amazing on the daily because look at that strong breakout to the upside, plus the volume's going crazy. So that's an 8-1 setup right here on Apple. 4 hours looking like it's going to climb on up, so we're going to watch this one closely as well. I have it running on one of my tabs, but so far we're going to watch that one. Same thing with SPY. SPY is building a nice range here in the pre-market. It's already breaking too, so SPY might be calls right at open. Usually I hate trading the open, but SPY looks amazing at open, to be honest. Then just to not pull it up on the 4 hour because I might not show everything, the 4 hour on SMCI looks amazing, guys. Calls above 383, and I have another level as well at 3861. So SMCI looks amazing too, and even AMD. AMD's at a call level as well. So there's like 4 stocks I can trade this morning, but we gotta wait and make sure there's some nice breakouts first so we don't get faked out. But let's see what we can catch this morning. Right at open, SMCI dumps, but Apple is holding. Apple's the only one holding really nicely. SPY is still in this general range here, but honestly Apple's looking like the strongest one today, guys. Look at that strong push right out the gate. Everything else kind of falling though besides Nvidia. SMCI is pumping. SMCI lost, AMD's losing that level, and SPY is struggling too. But Apple, guys, let's see what we can do with Apple. Let's look at this chop on 5 minutes. This shit is bar coding. Even Landry Capital price action is trash, which I agree, but it's probably because we have FOMC minutes today, a little bit of a meeting at 11 a.m. Maybe people are waiting for that, but so far market is ass. Took some Apple calls on this breakout here. 15 minutes, nice breakout too, but market is chopped up, so we got to be cautious. But so far this one does look pretty good. Daily looks good too. Higher time frames look good, so probably the best setup we can find out of this market, but we got to be cautious, man. You never know. Let's see what we catch on these apples, guys. Apple looks good. Market's trying to pull up here too as well, so it is a little bit in our favor. This is only the best setup that we can find here. So currently down 13%, which is only $20, so it's not too bad. These contracts are pretty cheap as well, $150 a piece. This thing is taking forever to pop. It's looking good though still. It's just taking so damn long to pop, man. What's going on with the market? The market is just chopping around. SPY is pulled up here, but it didn't end up doing nothing really. Market is looking whack today, guys. This shit is horrible. All right, guys, we're gonna probably sell out here. Look at this shit. I'm out, man. That shit is boring as fuck. We just closed that shit. Even if it pumps up later, there's no way I can hold through all that. That thing's going nowhere. So I just did a live trade on Apple. It was like a 26-minute trade, man, that I was in for so long, but that shit is going nowhere. Look at the 15 minutes though. It looks good. It's holding, but I just can't hold it for that long, man. That shit's going nowhere. Look at the 5 minutes too. Just keeps hitting that 90 MA and bouncing. I just can't hold it, man. It's gonna chop me out. So I'm in a SPY call right now as we speak. 15 minutes looks better for this breakout trade, but we are in a nice breakout trade. It's pretty cheap, so I can decently take some type of hit on this one. Contracts are currently up at 10% on this trade right here. It's looking pretty good. We still need to push for some more, guys. We're gonna do our best to hold a little bit more. That shit just pulled back here. Let me see how much. We got 5 more minutes for this shit to show out. We need this thing to. Now we're currently back at break even right now. Contracts are right at entry. Market don't look promising, so we probably should just collect. I'm out. Let's just get out of that shit, man. So today's market is literally horrible. And with that being said, I'm gonna go get a haircut because I look so rugged, so rough. And I just try to take 2 solid ass trade setups. I live recorded for you guys so you guys can see the setups as well. They were very solid. Unfortunately, market is just not following through with this crazy type of price action. So we got FOMC today, which is probably why. And then my mom asked for my help today, so I'm gonna go head out over there today. Unfortunately, gotta go knock that stuff out. Probably gonna take me a long time, but this vlog won't be so long anyways. So when I come home, maybe I might just do a trade recap or let you guys see the trade
the live trade itself, I mean, they kind of speak for itself. Market's going horrible. Let me show you guys too.
Small L on the day, only down $27 today, and I'll show you guys my orders here. So I bought one Apple call for $164, sold at $143. SPY call 114, sold at $8 or $108. So small L there, only down 27.
Bust out just a little bit of quick work, but it's 9:07 a.m. and I'm not the only one that's actually having a hard time in this market too. I mean, many other people too, but even CoinShot said he took some puts on SMCI, which I heard many people talking about that in another Discord. Unfortunately, man, market is horrible. This price action is trash, but let's go get a haircut. So unfortunately, my mom asked for my help, but as you guys can see too, I gotta go get a haircut first. I ain't even gonna lie, I look so rugged and rough, man. Today, I decided not to do any call out because the market is choppy. So I took 2 trades, but I did not signal them at all because I knew market was gonna be choppy. I knew market was gonna be difficult. It was gonna have a hard time breaking through some good levels. Now, I took 2 solid ass trades, one on Apple. It looked super amazing on a 50-minute time frame, the 5 minutes as well. But unfortunately, guys, it just ended up failing. Pulling back, taking so long and chopped us out, as you guys saw. Same thing with SPY, man. We're in some good SPY calls, a nice break on the 50-minute time frame, and ended up just selling out because it ain't going nowhere. And I'm glad I'm out because market honestly is going crazy bad right now. It has a long way to look at this. I'm so glad I'm out, guys. Look at that shit, man. Even if it pumped 10-12%, it doesn't really matter because that drop is pretty massive. So market is horrible. The conditions are bad, maybe because it's FOMC day today. Let's continue on about our day. I'm gonna go help my mom real quick and see what she needs for today. I hate when markets are like these, guys. I was trying to make some good money. So we took a small loss today, $27, which is really nothing. We made over $70 on the day yesterday, so just cuts about. So we're up like $50 just in these 2 days, which is really nothing again. But market conditions are horrible, man. So we're gonna continue on about our life, go on about our day, and let's see what else we can catch. If we do catch anything, of course, I'm gonna show y'all and show you guys the transparency. So guys, we're in a long contract here for 282 apiece. Nice little breakout trade here on a pattern break. So market's still pretty choppy, so we gotta be cautious. But we got a good entry on this one. So even with the small pullback, we're still up or at the break even. So 90 EMA is my stop loss, of course. On the 5 minutes, I'm gonna trade a quick little scalp, looking for a 10-15% here trade. Yeah, my barber shop waiting. I guess they're open, it says, but nobody's in there, man. It's dark as shit in there. Percent on this single trade, guys. We're doing good. 12% here, finally at break even. So let's fucking go. My order book right here. 2 small L's and 1 nice gain. Put us at $5 on the day, guys. Come on, man. We recovered nicely off a single trade. I'm glad I'm out. Quick little in and out scalp on this trade right here. We collected a nice 12%. We're out, guys. Let's fucking go. Come on. So we're back home looking less crazy. As you guys see, that barber did a blessing to me. He shaved down the beard. Makes me look a lot skinnier overall because I'm gaining some weight. But with that being said, guys, we're up over 30. We're up $30 on the day, guys. We ended up trading some SPX calls. So I'm gonna show you guys that here, my order book, and show you guys what we took. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So here's my order book. As you guys can see, the same day, Apple, SPY, Microsoft, which is the 3 trades I took and you guys saw. Then we decided to enter some AMD or SPX calls for $60 a piece, sold them at 85, and you guys can see we are up $30 on our account. And here's what the orders look like: $25, $60 L, $32 gain, $21 loss. So we managed to recover just a little bit, enough for us to be in profits. Market was horrible today. It was super choppy. So hopefully tomorrow is not like that whatsoever at all. Even if it is, we're still gonna do our absolute best to check the same type of trade setups, because the type of trade setups that I took today on Apple and Microsoft and SPY were the same setups that I would trade normally on a normal market. So I took calls on the breakout of the 15-minute time frame, didn't end up paying. I took Apple on a nice 15-minute breakout, 5-minute breakout as well, did not end up paying. But I took Microsoft and that one ended up paying a nice breakout on the pattern. So one good trade recovered our 2 losses. Then we took an SPX call for very cheap, only $60, and turned it into 85. So now we're up in profits on the day, which is totally good, better than a loss. Past 2 days, yesterday we took a $70 gain, and today $30 gain. So we're up a little bit at around $100 in these past 2 days, which is really nothing because I want to make that off a single trade. So hopefully tomorrow is not a chopped up day. We'll see what happens. But if it is, then we'll play it safely, just like how we've been. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you guys join the Discord, because we only need one more person for us to be on the 100 mark for people in our Discord. So if you guys want to join, go on my website, click the link in my bio, and join free server, guys. Or you can join the Signal chat. But unfortunately, this week so far, and maybe not even tomorrow either, I will not be calling out any signals because this market condition is horrible. I'm still going to give you guys my trade ideas. I'm still going to take trades. And instead of really calling out signals, I just said in the trade floor, I'm in some calls. I said, I'm in some SPY calls here, or I'm in some Apple calls here. That's pretty much just what I said. Instead of actually giving out the signal, I just said I'm in calls now. And I'm taking calls, or I just entered some. I'm going to take my own trades. Don't want to call out any bad ones, and hopefully it can be a good day.